everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today we're going to discuss 10 things that you need to do before launching your business. And this is really important because in order to have a successful business, there's some things that you're going to need to have in place before you get started. So we're going to go over those things today. If you're new to my channel, I show people how to earn a full-time income from home, how to be successful with different businesses, how to financially free yourself and leave your 9-to-5. Someone did this for me many years ago, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for you. So make sure you stay tuned to the end, and you're going to get all of the things that you need to start your business and to be very successful at it. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is your niche. That is like one of the challenging words for me, but what is it that you would like to talk about? What is it that you like to do? What is it that you really feel comfortable with? All of us have some type of skills in something, whether it's something that we learn from our job, something that we're really good at, a hobby that we love to do. You want to pick what it is that you're good at, and you want to stick to that because that's what's going to help you shine. Not only that, it's going to be a way for you to be comfortable about starting your business if it's something that you're really interested in. Are you a person that loves to give information about different foods you like to make? Are you good at that? Are you good at electronics, different devices? Is that something that you're good at speaking at? Do you want to teach people how to make money? Is there some information that you have? Are you a bookkeeper, an accountant? Whatever it may be, tap into that and make that a part of what you can discuss or what you can do to start your business. So make sure that whatever it is, it's something that you're interested in, because if you're not, it's not going to last. People want to sometimes do what everybody else is doing, what's trending at the time. But if it's not for you, it's not going to help you to shine and for people to see who you really are and be able to share your story. So make sure that you're doing something that you're interested in. Number 2, you want to think of a name. And what I always tell people is brand yourself, okay? If you brand yourself, you brand your name, people will be looking for you, okay? And that's a great way to do things. If your name is long or maybe it's a lot for people to catch on with, maybe just use your first name. Use your first and last name if you can, but if you can just use your first name, that's good as well. So like for my website, it's successwithamandaray.com. My name is Amanda Ray. I added that to my domain name, and that's a part of the branding process. People are searching for you through your name. So make sure that you're branding yourself, that your picture, your face, your name is on everything, because people are going to start to look for you. Another thing that you want to do is make sure you register your business. So in your town, you can go and get a DBA, which is a do business as, okay? It costs like 35, maybe 45 bucks now. I got one years ago. Or you can get an LLC. And depending on where you're at and what you want to do, you can get one or the other. I tell people all the time, the easiest way is to start out with a DBA. It's not hard to get and it's not expensive, and you can actually start doing business with a DBA. So you want to go to your local city hall, your county, wherever you're at, and actually you can Google it and find out where you can get a DBA from. Take care of that first. Make sure that you have your branding name on your DBA. It's something to really look forward to, but not only that, you're going to be really excited once you complete that step. Another thing that you want to do is register your business with the I.R.S. So you want to go and grab an EIN number. And the way that you do this, you can go right online to the I.R.S. website, and there you can go ahead and get an EIN. It's going to take you about 15 minutes. They're going to ask you for some information. All you need to do is put in the information that they're asking for. They're going to give you an EIN number, and this is really important for tax purposes. You want to make sure that Uncle Sam gets his part of whatever you're making, and you want to make sure you're doing things the right way, the legal way. So go ahead and grab an EIN number. Another thing you want to do is set up a business banking account. When you go to set up your business banking account, you want to get a free checking, or you want to get something that doesn't require you to put a lot of money into your account in the beginning. So you want to get an account that may have a limit of, you have to have at least $25 to $50 in it. Ask them for their best small business checking account. And you can go and inquire from about 3 different banks in your area, and then go with whichever one is the best for you. I bank with Bank of America, and I also use KeyBank. Maybe for you, it'll be another bank. Maybe it's even a credit union, and that's fine. You just want to get a bank account that doesn't force you to put a lot of money in to start the account. There's not a lot of fees. And again, make sure it's for a small business, okay? That's going to help as well. Another thing that you want to do is bookkeeping. In the beginning, you're going to be spending a lot of money on different things that you need. You want to make sure to track all expenses. If you're using your car, track your mileage. If you're going out to eat and you're discussing business, keep your receipts. So I pulled out this little filing folder that you can actually put right in your purse. They actually come smaller than this, but this is the one that I like. It's called the Index Mini Document File, but I actually use this for receipts. So you can open it up and you can stick your receipts right in here when you're going out to eat, when you're going out to buy things for your business. I have a little pin that's in here that I keep with me. And this will really come in handy, because what I started to notice is by having the receipts in my purse, without this, you couldn't hardly see, the ink was getting smushed and you couldn't really hardly see the writing. So I went and purchased this so that I can keep my receipts in here and I don't have to worry about my receipts getting messed up. Not only that, it keeps it neat and it keeps you organized. So one of these you can grab on Amazon for like 12 to 15 bucks. It's not that expensive. And again, if you want it smaller than that, they do have the next size down. If you want it bigger than this, they have the next size up. So this is really great to have, and this is to help keep you organized. But not only that, it helps you to claim all of your expenses at the end of the year. And you want to have that so that you can have all of that documentation when it's time to claim what you spent to grow your business. Another thing that you want to do is get a business email. So you're going to have a lot of times where you're going to need to send people information or get information from someone. And the best way to do that is by having a business email. It only takes like 10 minutes to set up. You want to make sure that that business email that you pick is somewhat identical to the name of your business to make sure that it just flows, right? You can use that for whenever you're doing business online. So if you need to send someone something where maybe someone is making you a website, or someone is making you a banner, or they're making you a photo for your business cards, whatever it may be, you can do that and send that information through your business email. It makes you look very professional by having a business email, but not only that, you don't have to worry about a lot of stuff going into people's junk mail and a lot of stuff going into your junk mail. The business email is just a great way to go, and it's very inexpensive. Another thing that you want to do is have a marketing and traffic plan. So now that you have your business up and running, where do you go to get clients? If it's a local business, are you going to be promoting right there within your community? If it's something that you can do all over the world, are you going to use a social media account? And that's really important, because the traffic has to come from somewhere. If you have a business with no traffic, you do not have a business. So you want to make sure that you are really focusing on what you're going to do for traffic. Is it going to be online? Is it going to be offline? Is it going to be both? Are you going to put out postcards, business cards? Are you going to run traffic online? Are you going to go on Craigslist? You know, whatever it may be. In the beginning, I used Craigslist a lot, and I was actually able to get a lot of clients through Craigslist. That may be a platform for you. What is your budget for the marketing and traffic strategies that you decide to use? So you have to also think about a budget. Do you want to get additional help for someone to help you run your traffic? Do you want to hire someone that's going to do this for you? These are all of the things that you need to think about. Again, if you are on a budget, you can start off small and work your way up. Start off with free ways to advertise your business, or extremely inexpensive ways to start your business, okay? And that's what I did when I first started mine. So make sure you have a marketing and traffic plan for your business. Another thing that you want to have is a website. And a website is extremely important, because people are going to want to know, where do they go to get more information? They need to go to a website so that they can see what it is that you provide, whether it's a product or a service, and they can look through the information and they can make a payment. So you want to have a really clean, nice, chic, let it be nice and clean website. You can go to the professionals to get this done, or you can create it yourself through Wix.com. Fiverr.com is a great place to go to have someone help you with your website. If you do not have the money to do that, you can go onto Wix.com and create your own free website. Take your time, make sure that it flows. It's easy for people to navigate through your website. Not only that, make sure there's a place for people to pay once they're interested in your products or services. So a website is really good to have. And not only that, it helps you to look like a professional, and it's a great way for people to go to get more information. Another thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you get business cards. So I pulled out my box of business cards. You can get these extremely inexpensive on Vistaprint. And this is what my business card looked like, and they can create it for you. I had them actually create it for me, and it just has a little avatar of myself, and it has the information on it about my business. So there's a phone number, an email address, an address, and my website link. And there's a little title of what it is that I do. You can get these made in bulk, 500 for like 50 to 70 bucks. 500, it'll come in a box. and you can put these in your pocketbook, your wallet, and actually start giving them out to people. Not only that, when you are speaking about your business or someone asks you information about your business, being able to pull out a business card and give them information about what it is that you do is going to help you. So again, get those. You can actually lay them down in certain places, in laundromats, in supermarkets, and at bus stops, and people will pick them up to find out what it is that you do. So business cards is a great thing to have for your business. Not only that, you can use business cards to advertise your business and give out to people that want to know what it is that you do and how to reach out to you. And last but not least is a social media platform. And the reason why I tell people to use a social media platform is because everybody is on social media. Everybody's on YouTube, everybody's on Facebook, Twitter, all of these different platforms where you can grow your business and have hundreds of thousands of people looking at your opportunity. Why not? If you decide to use Pinterest, you can have pictures made where it goes directly to your website about your business. You can create pin boards and pin stuff to your boards and actually have people go into your Pinterest account and getting more information about what it is that you do. On Instagram, you can post pictures and hashtag what it is that you do, your name, certain keywords, and have people go into your website from your Instagram. Same thing with Facebook. You can put up posts about what you do, and you can have the information your website about your business. So social media, what I can say about it that I love, it's like putting your business on steroids, taking it to that next level. Of course, you can use offline methods all day long, but online methods are going to make you go so much faster because there's so many people on social media. All you have to do is use it consistently by posting different pictures and of what it is that you do and gearing that towards getting people to your website. So social media platform is one of those things. If you don't know how to use it, learn how to use it, or hire someone to help you set up a social media platform where you can grow your business. Okay, there's hundreds of thousands, millions of people on Facebook and YouTube on a daily basis. There's no way you can fail by using a social media account unless you just create one and you don't use it. But of course, we want to use it. We want to do it consistently to grow our business, to get the word out about what it is that we do. And that's going to help you in the long run. So I hope this information has helped you to understand the things that you need to do when launching your business. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll be bringing you consistent videos about how to work from home, what to do to get started, inspiring people, motivating people to start a home-based business, free yourself from your 9-to-5, have financial freedom and success. So thanks so much for coming out today, for viewing this video. Have a great day, stay inspired, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.